Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to transform your Brother SE600 sewing and embroidery machine from a regular sewing machine to an embroidery machine. It's pretty easy to do. You do need a tool to do it, and you need this special embroidery dock, and you need the special embroidery foot. It's going to be positioned this way with the little loop forward because that's where the needle is going to go. Okay, lift your presser foot and you see this screw right here. You are going to unscrew it. And I put mine on pretty tightly because I had it fall off one time during an embroidery session and it messed everything up. Okay, now your presser foot is already lifted, but you're actually able to lift it a little bit more, and I always do to take off the whole thing. The next thing that you're gonna do is put your embroidery foot on. You're gonna start in this position and you're going to turn it till it's that position. And then you will tighten the screw to hold it in place. Let me come around back so that I'm not in your way. It can be a little bit difficult to maneuver. So once you have it in place, you are going to tighten your screw, the same one you used to take off the presser foot. And like I said, you want to tighten it pretty tightly so that your foot doesn't come off during an embroidery session. Next thing that you need to do to set it up as embroidery is remove the front panel. So once you've removed the front panel, you're going to attach the embroidery unit. I'll turn it towards you so that you can see. So I set the embroidery unit on my table and slide it till it clicks. Let's turn back this way. All right, so now you're set up for embroidery. This is the carriage, and instead of the needle moving everywhere to make the stitches, this is gonna move everywhere and the needle will do its work. So you basically program your machine and you're all set up now. You would have your fabric and your embroidery hoop that comes with your machine, and you will lift the presser foot as high as you can and clip the embroidery hoop into your carriage, and then you are ready to go. Turn it on as usual. You don't need the pedal attached, and it actually won't let you use it. Even if you do have it attached. So you're going to touch the screen and it will show you this every single time. So you hit OK, and then you'll get to this screen. This is for a jump drive. You can download different patterns online and on Etsy and stuff, depending on what you want to make. But it does have, this machine does have some patterns already on it. You would click on what you want to do, click on it, you're going to hit set. You can choose the size or you can rotate it. And then once you're done with that, you're going to hit end edit, and then you're going to hit embroidery, and you're ready to go. So then you're going to come over here and you would have your embroidery hoop already in your unit, but I'm not going to embroider anything right now. And in order to begin embroidery, your hoop must be in your unit and the presser foot has to be down. And then to begin embroidery, you will hit this green button. And it does it all on its own, but I recommend sitting around and watching it because I've had needles break accidentally, I've had it get jammed, but those are very rare occurrences. I would say usually it's fine to just let it go. Thank you guys so much for watching, If you have any questions or want me to show you anything else, please leave a comment down below, and I will see y'all in the next video.